Hello friends, my name is Pallavi and on 15th of July, me and my friends Sukhvinder Kaur, Sukhvinder Singh and Manoj Patel got a project on latency management in Industry 4. Basically, latency is delay in receiving the messages between sender and receiver, and latency can be occur broadly in three industries: in defense, logistic and medicines. In this project we are dealing with latency in logistic only. So in this project will cover all the aspects of why latency happen and how can we manage the latency in logistic area. Basically, in logistic all the work are performed by using networks, and all the networks are based on cloud. Earlier there is no cloud system, so that's why the latency was happened. But nowadays we in this project we are introducing the advantages of using cloud so that latency can't be happen and network can work smoothly. In this project will in For this project we got help from our lecturer Hari Krishan Prasad, Mr. Bala Kumble and Ron, who are our clients. We send mail to our client twice a week, and we also conduct team meetings every week so that we can deal with the problems which are occur day by day in this project. Other parts of this project, this splint will be discussed by my friend Sukhvinder.
Hello friends, my name is Sukhwinder and we are working on our project of latency management in Industry 4. As my team member described about the latency and Industry 4, so now I am going to describe how to reduce the latency in logistics. So nowadays most of the industries are used to work manually. So there is a communication gap between the employees and the client, so they are not store the data in a particular buffer so they can retrieve the data easily. They all store the data on a hard drive that can be lost. So to reduce the latency, we are come up with the cloud computing, which supports by the IoT networks and the logistics. So cloud computing is to store the data at a one place, and on that place all the things, all the data retrieved by in the organization, and it is easy to store the data, or we can also take a backups from the cloud. That means the data cannot be lost. So it is easy for all the team members to retrieve the data from the cloud, not to passes the message to the one employee to the another. That means that reduce the latency. So we are using the cloud.
Hi, I am Manoj Kumar Patel. As my friend Pallavi and Sukhvinder Kaur give some overview of project, I am going to describe my work in previous sprint. We finished our work on storyboard project roadmap with the help of our group members. In the previous studies, I am going to focus on risk, dependency, assumptions and constraint in our project. First of all, risk and dependency. It covers improper knowledge, wastage of time, misunderstanding in communication because of different knowledge from the expertise. Then assumptions. It covers different tasks like process, method and management in the project, which process we are going to use and which type of method we are selecting for the different type of process, and which type of management system affected by the process and method. Then the constraint. Constraint cover uncertainty business environment, lack of knowledge of project contents, time consumption because of major time spent in research and analysis. And we are going to use the agile methodology to define the research. Here, agile methodology it is a type of project management process where demand and solutions evolve throughout the collaborative effort of self-organization and cross-functional teams and their customers. Then, the applications. There are different type of applications covers in our project like real-time pricing, real-time inventory, equipment and utilization patterns, accurate merge in transit model, office resource flexibility. Uh, Then office resource flexibility, it covers cloud gives idea about real-time data and the locations. In the accurate merge and transit model, synchronizing the process play an important role in this model. Logistics allows us a real-time monitoring. Then real-time inventory, it helps to inventory for controlling the risk and optimizing of cost in inventory. Thank you.
My name is Krinder Singh, and me and my team member working on a project. We got the project on uh, management in industry 4, and we research a lot on the 5 applications which are already exist and successfully deployed to latency management in industry 4. The applications are real-time pricing. IoT allows to adjust the pricing element of transportation and warehousing. The second one is real-time inventory. It helps to the inventory for controlling the risk and optimizing of cost in inventory. It also allows to maximize your ability to respond to demand. The third one is equipment and utilizing pattern. In any repetitive system, recognition of pattern is essential to optimize. Cloud-based software system help discover patterns. And the fourth one is accurate merge in transit model. When different suppliers trying to coordinate union number of component, possibly all over the world, synchronization process plays a important role for efficiency. The fifth one is office resources flexibility. Cloud integrated logistics provide us real time data and also make the locations or time accessible for the team members.